We can see that is a complete design for a fold map book. Let's begin with the cover. On the front cover, we can see that certain visual treatments have been applied. At the top, we find the artist's name and the title of the work. The top and the bottom edges of the cover, as well as the side, feature stamp-like motifs. At the center of the cover is a small illustrated scene accompanied by a science design. When we open the first page of the fold book, the back of the small cover displays the main theme, the map. Then we notice that the top parts of the three folded segments on the right form a cloud and a sign when origins. On the bottom of the first page, it shows a raining scene, with partial elements depicting raindrops. When we unfold the second page, it depicts cloudy weather, and we begin to see illustrated grass fields. In the final scenes, we can see depiction of the sign, large glass and flower appear, a way to illustrate the effect of the weather across in the panels. Here, I would like to briefly explain how the fold book functions. It's presented in three main sections, but there's an additional flap at the very back extending from the cover. So it's like 3+1 structure design. When we unfold the book according to its design, we see a fragile bridge structure appear. This page primarily shows a map of a road I have personally observed. We can see surroundings and the key version elements emerging. Whether it's raining, forest, or docks, those serve as recording motifs. Moving to the next page, we encounter a section about events. At the top, we can find version hints about what happened. This is a piece of paper that was left in the rain and collected afterward. Of this sheet, we can feel the texture and the tactile response of the paper after being exposed of rain. We are invited to physically feel the rain through touch. The original design starts with a thin large sheet of paper, which was folded 3 times and placed in different raining locations. Different materials were used to observe how rain would soak sand and transform them. Finally, I cut out my favorite page and pasted it here as part of the book. These favorite pieces didn't get soaked completed, but the paper has become wrinkly and textured. At the top of this sheet, I drew a dark cloud of symbolizing rain. And since the paper lies under the cloud, it visually demonstrates the effect of being rained on. Below this paper is a continuation of the map, a matching scenes, feature a bird sitting on a bench, ducks swimming in the waters, and a passing church that also functions as a school. On the first page of this section, there's an interface labeling addition. At the top of the interface, the first option is weather. User can interactively slide the panel to select different weather conditions. It operated by pulling to the right, reviewing different weather types on the left like a flip book. The section option is event, such as encountering a bird, a rabbit, or a duck along the road. The final option is mood, happy, calm, or sad. For example, one could select the event of meeting a rabbit under normal weather, resulting in a calm mood. And this is how the interfold book looks when fully unfolded. And finally, it falls back into its original compact form.